So this is Ensoniq ESQ-1, one of my favourite synths of all time. I used to have one which worked perfectly. Foolishly sold it and got some plugins instead. It's never been quite the same and really wanted to get this one back. So this one came up for sale and at a reasonable price, which is difficult these days. The value of these has doubled in the last 12 months from what I can see. And for good reason. It's a digital synth, but it has analog filters, so it has a particularly nice sound. Now this one's in really bad condition. Cosmetically, it's not too bad, but I've got a number of missing keys, and also underneath the keyboard there's quite a lot of them are broken. It's going to cost at least £50 to get spares for that. But that's really the least of the problems. It doesn't power on. And to complicate things, it's American power supply. So anyway, let's have a quick look inside. Now again, it doesn't look too bad, but as I say, it doesn't power on. Now unfortunately the last person who looked at this took all the screws out and didn't bother to keep them, so it turned up with the keyboard actually loose from the rest of the frame, flopping around and bashing up the printed circuit board, which really you don't want that to happen. A number of the components got damaged as well, but they may not be broken. We'll have a look. Now as it doesn't power on, then the first thing you need to look at is the power supply. But unless you know what you're doing, I wouldn't recommend going anywhere near it. So that's something I'm going to do offline, and I'll let you know what the results are. The other thing I need to look at is the wheel, electronics, the pitch bend rather. The electronics are inside, but no pitch bend wheels, so I need to get a new one of those, and that's not cheap. But I'm just getting to the point where I need to get it to work so I can actually use it.